This is something that I didn't know. Immediately your baby gets to 6 months, it means they have started developing their teeth. So as early as that, you're supposed to be taking care of their oral. I didn't honestly know about that, but once you realize they have started developing those plastic teeth, means you need to start their oral care, where this is how I do mine. Immediately I noticed the baby who started like producing the plastic teeth. What you do is, with whatever washcloth that you use to wash them, I am hoping it's cotton, and it's cotton, it's way soft so that it doesn't hurt them. You just start rubbing their gums all round in the mouth, all round in the mouth, so that it helps the plastic teeth come out quickly. Yeah. If I'm to use that word, that's what you do. Just rub it with, and not with warm water, but cold water. Just rub it, and again it soothes them. I don't know how, but if you do that, you'll notice that they are attempting to bite that finger. Yeah, it means that it really does help them. Yeah. At 3 to 4 months, let's go back a little bit. At 3 to 4 months, this is where they have started like itching. The gums have started itching. That's when you introduce a teether, a soft teether. Don't go for hard things that are going to hurt them. Yeah. So at 3 to 4 months, introduce a teether, let them bite on it, and then by the time they get into 6 months, now you can start with the cold cloth, and then rub them, let the teeth come out. The thing you want to do is with the same cloth. Yeah, remember the damp cloth that you're using to just rub the gums all around. Just make sure you're trying as much as possible to clean the tongue. It's going to be hard, but try, because again, they're breastfeeding. Yeah, maybe you've started introducing maybe purees and all, but they're breastfeeding, so all the milk goes to their tongue. So try as much as possible after cleaning them. While bathing them, just wipe the tongue. It's going to be very hard to do that, but try as much as possible. Pass a damp cloth on their tongue. And then the next thing you want to do is in between the tongue. Now, I didn't get to do that at 6 months old, but I came to notice that I should have started. You floss them, use the softest flosser you can get, not the plastic one. Just floss in the two teeth. I know most of the babies develop two teeth, but again, it's not a must. You can start that at 7 or 8 months, because again, at that particular point, they'll have developed more than two teeth, so it's easier than two teeth only. So, and then at 7 and 8, they've already started eating, so yeah, there's food in between the teeth. But at 6, it's just breastfeeding most of the time. So make sure you're flossing those two teeth so that particles don't remain there. Take care of that mouth while they're still. We want to introduce a very healthy toothbrush, or the one fingered toothbrush with very soft bristles. I'm going to insert a picture up here. You just clean the gums and the two teeth after feeding, or in the morning or in the evening. I don't know, whichever you prefer, but just make sure whichever toothbrush you're going to introduce has to be very soft. The bristles should be very soft. Or again, you can still use a damp cloth to do just that. Some people also introduce toothpaste. I don't like it, because again, that particular point, they're very young. So whichever you prefer, first consult with your pediatrician before you do anything. Once they get to 7 months, you should stop that. Actually, when you notice they have started developing their teeth, you need to stop using the bottle, the feeding bottle, and go straight to the round. You see that front part of a bottle always delays the baby, for lack of a better word. Like it always lead to teeth underdevelopment. So once you notice that your baby is producing, the teeth have started growing, just exchange move away from the bottle, go straight away to the round cup. Also make sure that the cup you're using is friendly to them so that it doesn't hurt. People who I know do bottle during bedtime, like when the baby is almost sleeping, they do bottle. They do give them bottle maybe of milk most of the times. No, you should stop that. Actually, a lot of pediatricians do say that or do think that milk from another animal is not good for the baby. The only thing that the baby should be taking at this particular point is only the breast milk. I'm not sure how good this is, how true this is, but most of them do think so. So, what I know is by the time your baby has gotten to 6 months, you should drop that bottle so that you don't decay the other teeth that are growing. Like, if just make sure they eat in the appropriate time. Let's take care of the oral and just let them sleep. Yeah, monitor them and make sure that giving them the appropriate food. You don't want to have a baby with decayed teeth by the time they are getting to 1 year. So make sure you're feeding them the appropriate food. That is a well balanced diet and with the foods that they can only eat. Don't assume that now that they're eating they can eat everything. No, they can't eat everything. Just make sure the meals that you're giving are balanced and they are with lots of fluids, that is water. Yeah. And also while brushing, that is, make sure you brush the gums too. Remember, you're using only the soft bristles for the baby. Yeah. And with that being said, that's what I've been doing. But if you've not started all this, it's not too late to always start. Yeah, you always learn something new the other day. If you are doing something different, just make sure to comment down below so that I can also learn from you. Yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.